Good morning, guys. I'm in Muriawa. I want to address something. Before I address something, guys, I want to show you something, especially to you parents and to you teenagers. Look at those school kids that are going there. Look at them. What are they holding? Look at them. They are holding buckets, right? Even if you check there. Right, guys, I made a funeral here in Muriawa. So I came here last night. Unfortunately, I couldn't vlog for you. Because you know when you're driving my chamber, but after when you're but after I was driving at night, you know. But yeah, guys, the stories. I have so many things that I want to show you and that I want to tell you. So make sure you listen very carefully and you might learn one or two. You understand? Firstly, I heard with Panapa. In fact, did you see the school kids? They are carrying packets. Vana ava havane chekuita nenhamo. Munhu afa haasungwa nechikoro. Vana ava vana vemunharaunda vanogara muno makare maMurewa. Vaudzwa pachikoro oro sechikoro vabatana vakati since tirisu vana vadiki vanogara muino nharaunda. Kana muchinge mafiwa kana maita rufu, vana vechikoro vese oro vana vati kurei pachikoro vanotumwa kuenda pafiwa ipapo vonobatsira mabasa epanhamo. Chiroti mabasa afana nekunonhonga huni, mabasa afana nekunochera mvura, mabasa afana nezvimwe zvimwe kana kubatsira kusuka kana zvavangakwanise kuita zvese zvakakwanise kuitira kuti zvirerukirewo vafirwa, kuitira zvirerukirewo vari kuchema. Guys, itsika yandafarira, itsika yandada singaiti, itsika yandachiva nezvakare itsika yandacherechedza kuti itsika yakanaka kudzidzisa vana. Izvi dai vana vari mutaundi, imagine dai vanga vananga paGrenville. Dai vari nepambari hai. Asi kuti ndikutaura zvinhu ndichishora zvikoro, tuzama ndoro chigeto yiti chimwe dzimwe dzenguva chigeto yiti chirimo vana vedu I don't care chiatinzwaro achiite kuti vana vaite zvekuita vana ava vana vakarayirwa vakanyasorayirwa chaizvo. Anyways, guys, I'm out here in Muriawa. You see, ndafara ndaona Nzimbe. I don't know when last did I eat Nzimbe. Atomboziye. Been in SA yakatoti ndiposta zvinhu zvakawanda. I think 5 years ago ndo varapisa kuita Nzimbe. Anyways, I'm out here in Muriawa. As you can see, vanhu vakaungana. Uko as you can see pano nakaungana panhamo patiri panhamo andika tiri panhamo, guys. So what I want to tell you is, or what I want to show you is, I'm not sure, but I will try by all means to go there for you all, guys. Hanzi vane panapa they don't bury people. What do I mean? Vane panapa hanzi vana havachirire guva ndatoshamisika hanzi tatomira rambomuzi yanga tadononomuka tofunga pamwe chavana guva richasi richicherwa nene, but hanzi guva havachere makuva. Hanzi ivo vanoita zvekuisa makuva avo paruware. Guys, I've never seen such a thing. I don't wanna lie, I've never seen zvinhu zvakadaro, guys. MaMurewa mandiri muno andika and panokonwa makuva ndirakuenda name, guys. I wanna go with you and show you all, guys, kuti what's popping exactly, what's going on. You understand? Kuti people they don't bury vanhu vanda zvekuvakira vanhu guva pamusoro pedombo, pamusoro peruware. What if kukanaya? What if kana kune varoyi? Guys, I'm still in shock, guys. I'm really shocked. Like, I'm really shocked for real. I don't know if it's a culture or if it's a religion, because it seems like muna shaika vanopinda postor, but in postorica achizive zvakadaro. Atizizive. But anyways, guys, regeti wori kuti zvinopera sei. I will be showing you everything. Phone yangu ina moto, unfortunately ndaisa vacharge panapa, but havasi kupika. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So njangomira kana vanhu vakuteera mukaenda makuva, and then I'll go with you guys and show you what's popping and what's happening. But yeah, we still here in Muriawa, and it seems as if ndakapaka pamberi pevanhu vesawa and kuburuka kuchanga kuchinyadzisa. But yeah, guys, I will do anything for you. I will show you guys. I will make sure, I will try by all means to show you guys whatever which is happening here. I will also show you when they are burying people there. So yeah, without any further ado, let's wait for it. So weird. Mwana mbuya vari kusvika pavo vabva kwachiridza mere vangobatwa pari mwazo vabatwa matambudziko wechituyo. Why is it maZimbabwe anoramba akatensa kana munhu ari pakuchema? But you know what, it's weird also. But guys, I want to ask you, guys, and in Dango achirongoti I'm a content creator. I monetize every situation. Like, please don't come for me. I have to show you everything which is happening in my life. Because I want to ask, I want to talk about something. Why is it Zimbabweans when you attend funerals, right? Tokaenda panhamo, tinobva kumba zvakanaka-naka. Totoenda pana town, tozoenda pana 4th, totokwira makombi zvakanaka-naka. Takanyarara toenda kunhamo ka. Tapedza. Tasvika panhamo, totanga kuita mere. within 2 minutes wakabata maoko watonyarara wakutojamba ngoma. Is it a culture yekuti we should cry or we should ridza mhere rachika manhamo or behavior yatakatongosvipa semazimbabweans or mutemo here? I don't know guys, like please balance me because I've seen nhamo dzakawanda ndatombopinda mabhasis tosvika takanyanya tisazoridza mhere so nevamwe munofanira kuridza mhere tichisvika. Guys, is it a culture or something? Because ana matuke vandoti this muna this mchembera she's been dramatic. Guys, please balance me. Is it a culture or something? Mutemo yakana ndinofanira kuridza mhere. Anyways, I'll get married to not how far. Whatever that's gonna happen, I'm gonna keep on showing you. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank you.
Dada, my notes are. I'm sorry. That got a party. I'm sorry. Ana mai ngavachienda zvavo. Azumoya apa kona kuno. Tuzongma shule.
So guys, I think you all saw it for yourself. I was also shocked because like I didn't know this type of culture. It's like my first time kuzviona zvinhu zvakadaro izvozvo. Asana mbozviona mavigiro akadaro asana mbomaona. And also one thing that I noticed also tarapa kuvigwa munhu kana box rapedza kuiswa muguva imomo kana rakuchivharwa iguva iri vakadzi vese vadzingwa, all the women they were chased away. Kunzi hanzi vakadzi vepanapa hanzi why hanzi vakaona munhu achizvarwa vakaona munhu achifushirwa kuvakirwa guva rake raakuvharwa hanzi havazozvari havazote mwana. Guys, I was like shocked with this culture. Asana mbozviona zvakadaro. My question is, what if kukanaya? I'm not criticizing or kushora, but like I'm actually happy because I'm learning a lot of things. I'm learning a lot, like yo guys. But what if kukanaya? So which means that vanhu vese box machirimo because hapana mujuru kapa, hapana mujuru unodya, hapana mvura inopinda, which means that maboxes achirimo kapa, which means that vanhu havachirimo kapa. Why do they do this? Why does it take you to go on Barware? And what if pamusha penyu pastin venyu pasina Rware? What if Marware sakazara? Zvinofamba sei zvinopera sei? Anyways guys, my questions are not answered anymore. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna finish the rest of the vlog. Maybe I don't like vlogging, especially when I'm driving Machembere. So I'm just gonna show you one or two, and then we're gonna end this vlog in Harare. You understand? So yeah, guys, make sure you stay tuned. Mira program so yeah, stay tuned. So guys, got to buy. So guys, there I'm gonna as you can see, I'm extra blah blah. Now I'm going back to work. I'm going back to work. So this is blah blah, as you can see. And yeah, so guys, let's go and see what's moving. Let's go and see what's happening. Stay tuned. One or two, but I don't want to make the vlog too long because yeah, you understand. So guys, I didn't like show you. In fact, I didn't eat anything today. I wanted to eat. Now go to see chingwani revive because ndaramba don't see cabbage. And chikava chirambo panama, but I don't like cabbage. I don't love cabbage because of boiling ngambo. So yeah, now we finna go and change there. As you can see, there is Becassin there. Becassin, chicken and pizza. You understand? You understand? So I wanna go and buy. You know what I'm gonna buy. You know what I'm gonna buy. And you definitely. As you can see, Becas there. That's my favorite. I think Becassin should sponsor me or something. Because like, yo, I always give them free promo. You understand? So yeah. Let's go get some food there and then we'll continue with our night. You understand? Down there, Tango. So guys, as you can see, and is yeah, that's my car right down there. Ooh, I think Becassin should sponsor me because like what the okay. So guys, you know it's obvious when I'm buying food in chicken in or Begasin, I will be going for this hot dog. It's obvious. And Russian and chips. Guys, let me tell you the story. Ndakamboenda pachikantinho mari kwedu ndakaona vasati vadzisa chikafu chavo chavano ndasazori vanobika chikafu chorara chiri mumba and then chorara muzvimarestaurant momoka chozodyiwa mangwana ndakasemeswa so disgusted zvekudaro and then from there ndanditenge chikafu maraini koko mwoyo wangu chirokamira. So I decided to come and buy food kudhuze nekutaura kuno because ine betotwa tushoma zvacho but it's worth it and it's better than kutenga chikafu chandisi kuda kufara chidya. So ndasatenga kaka because they don't have revive and revive like square up anezo ndakamwa nge 3 revive pana tiri kumusha kunamo. So yeah, let's try something else today. So I'm gonna show you and up in town and then I'll end the vlog. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the vlog to the end. You understand? I love you so much. Peace out. Good morning guys. This is a boy Praise underscore dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and today I'm back to another banger. So guys, I'm out here in Zimbabwe and I've realized or I've noticed that a lot of people they want to know more about InDrive. They want to know more about the e-hailing which is taking place here in Zimbabwe. I noticed that there are some guys that are shooting content for you guys, showing you guys don't mind. Okay, I'm gonna explain. Okay, I noticed that there's a lot of guys that are shooting content for you guys, poor content for you guys, showing you a day in the life of InDrive drivers, how much they make, blah blah blah. So guys, I decided to make this video in a very nice way. So I'm gonna be showing you and I'm gonna be explaining everything and I'm gonna be shooting each and everything and each and every detail that you might need to know about InDrive. You understand? So if you wanna do InDrive business, this video belongs to you. If you wanna know how InDrive works, this video belongs to you. If you wanna know how much we make as InDrive drivers or as Uber drivers here in Zimbabwe, this video belongs to you. So I guess you're gonna spend the day with me here in Zimbabwe doing InDrive, and yeah, I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video how much did I make, or how much do you make per day, or roughly how much. There's no like a certain figure or a certain amount that you make. Today you might make $100. Tomorrow you might make $5. You see, it depends with how busy it is and it depends with the days. You know, you can't make the same amount with like the same amount that you're gonna make on weekend is not the same amount that you're gonna make during the week. You see, so please don't mind my English. I'm trying by all means to make this video using English, but I know for you that by the end of the video I'm gonna be speaking Shona like, man, why am I even wasting my time? Those critical man. So this is how I'm gonna spend. This is how I spend. Man, okay.